Ever wondered how filmmakers create stunning visuals with just one light? What if I told you that with just one LED, you can dramatically level up the quality of your video production? Today, we're diving into how to light like a filmmaker using just one light source. Let's get to it. A lot of creators think you need a whole lighting rig to get that film look. But here's the truth. Most filmmakers start with just one key light. It's all about control, intention, and quality. And that's where the GVM 300B comes in. This bicolor LED packs a punch, 300 watts of maximum power, accurate color rendering, and a full color control over temperature from 2700 to 6800 Kelvin. That means warm tungsten and cool daylight video coming out of just one fixture. Lighting isn't just about visibility, it's about storytelling. Watch this. So now let's take a look once I light the scene. Now here I am with the GVM 300B turned on. See the difference? The version with the 300B has contrast, depth, and mood. It's no longer flat or boring. It feels intentional. That's the magic of a pro light. It elevates the emotional tone of your shot. We're placing the GVM 300B at about 45 degrees off axis, slightly above eye level. Add a softbox for diffusion and boom, you've got a dramatic shadow-rich lighting with just one light. Think film noir or a classic portrait. Okay, for the first setup, I'm using the classic Rembrandt Lighting setup. I often use this for my YouTube videos. It's a quick and easy way to get nice contrast and some shadow, ultimately some depth in my video using just one light. You can see in most of my talking head videos on my YouTube channels, the intro portions of the video, this is the lighting setup I tend to go with, and this is a real easy one for you to create a dynamic video using only one light, and it's really good for when you're a solo shooter. So with that said, I have the key light right now to camera left 45 degrees and up 45 degrees, and I tend to have the softbox toward the eyebrow level, the bottom portion of the softbox, like eyebrow level, and I want to come down and create more of a shadow portion on my face over here. So I have a negative fill or black reflector right here on camera right, and this is the first lighting setup. Let me know what you think of this one. So let's get to the next setup. Want that soft daylight coming through the window feel? You don't need a window, you need direction. In this lighting setup, I will be using a technique called feathering lighting, wherein which a light source is angled away from the subject, creating a softer, more gradual transition between light and shadow. Instead of shining directly to my subject, the light is directed to the side, or in this case, the wall, making use of the edge of the light modifier for the general effect. This can result in a more natural image with reduced contrast and harsh shadows. All right, for the second technique that I would personally use as a solo creator using this nice professional LED light, I'm going to be using a technique called feathering the light, wherein which I utilize the edge of the softbox, not the center of it, to light myself and in this case, some of the background. So first off, this is what it looks like right now using only the natural ambient light coming through the window, camera right over here. So now let's take a look once I light the scene. Now here I am with the GVM 300B turned on, and again I'm utilizing the edge of the softbox to light myself and allowing the remaining portion of the softbox to light the background, as you can tell. Now aside from the ambient light and then the LED light, which I am placing sort of in the same direction of the light coming through the window, so that I can mimic and enhance the ambient lighting in the room so that it looks like I'm more naturally lit. Now, what I am doing to fill in the shadows over here is using a silver reflector right off camera, and the light that's spilling in from this window is what is bouncing off this reflector and then filling in the shadows over here. Again, a great, very easy way to light yourself, or let's say for an interview as a solo shooter using only one light. I would continue to adjust the angle of the feathering so that the light would spill just like natural light would onto my subject and a bit on the background. It feels real because it mimics how we see light in real life. The lighting technique I'll be using for this is called short lighting. This is when the far side of your subject's face is lit relative to the placement of your camera. Add some haze or just let the background fall into the shadow. Sometimes I use a bounce card to soften the shadows on the camera side of my subject's face. This setup is all mood and it's super cinematic.
Respect.
For the last one light setup that I'll be sharing today, it's called short lighting. This is great for a moody and dramatic tone that you want to add to your video. So this would be maybe something very dramatic moment in a documentary, camera B style of the angle for documentaries, or if you want to shoot, let's say, a dramatic scene in a music video. This is a really good way to go. All you have to do is set the camera to the dark or shadow side of your subject's face and then light the other side of the face with the one light, and that's how you get it. It's really a great technique. It's called short lighting, and anybody can do this with just one light. Now, what I did to add a little bit more contrast and shadow is I actually added a reflector right behind me here so that any of the natural light that comes from the key light doesn't hit like a wall behind me and then thus reflect them back. So it really kills the light right here, and ultimately what you like to do is control the shadow and light as well in lighting, and this is a really good way to do so using just one key light and a reflector.
What makes the GVM 300B special isn't just the power, it's the control. You could dial in your look with precision using a built-in LCD screen, or my favorite choice is using the user-friendly mobile app. And it's quiet, so your audio stays clean. Now you could turn the fan on or off, it's all up to you. Plus, it's compact enough to bring on location. Whether you're shooting in a studio or bedroom or rooftop, it travels well. So if you want to light like a filmmaker without spending like a filmmaker, this is the way. One professional light like the GVM 300B can totally transform your visuals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more lighting and filmmaking techniques, and drop a comment if you want to see more one light setups. If you're thinking of picking up the GVM 300B, I've dropped the link below. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.